Hello Bit2Mers, today we are going to talk about what is a cryptocurrencies wallet or a wallet. Let's start. Cryptocurrency wallets or wallets are the bridge that allows us to manage our cryptocurrencies. There is software, digital, or hardware, physical. They are one of the essential tools of the digital ecosystem since they allow us to carry out the operations of receiving and sending each cryptocurrency through the blockchain network. Choosing a suitable wallet that meets our needs is just as important as having one. Whether software or hardware, wallets are exclusively designed to store and manage our cryptocurrencies' public keys and private keys. How do cryptocurrency wallets work? The term wallet may seem similar to what we use to store physical money. But in cryptocurrencies, what is stored in wallets are public and private keys. Cryptocurrencies don't exist as real physical currencies, like the money we use every day. Cryptocurrencies are records of transactions contained within a blockchain, operated by interconnected nodes worldwide. Thus, public keys, especially private keys stored within a wallet, give us ownership over cryptocurrencies transferred to a particular address and unrelated to the cryptocurrency protocol. What are the public keys? Like a bank account number, the public key can be given to anyone to send us money without any risk. And the private key? The private key works as a kind of key, PIN, or password, which we must not disclose to anyone, and that gives us the right to spend the cryptocurrencies contained in an address. The private key owner will be the absolute owner of the funds. But, are the wallets reliable? Wallets use advanced encryption techniques to protect cryptocurrencies, ensuring total security to users' funds. Thanks to this, you can save, send, and receive cryptocurrencies almost without any risk from a wallet. When setting up a wallet for the first time, they use a highly secure cryptographic algorithm to create a private key. Then, they make the public key, which is mathematically related to the private key. And from the public key, all the addresses where we can receive cryptocurrencies are derived. Some wallets generate a seed, known as wallets deterministic or HD. The source is a set of keywords from which all are affected keys and addresses, and that will later be used to restore and recover the wallet and our funds in case of damage or loss of the equipment. The security of cryptographic algorithms prevents the private key from being discovered through the public key, even though they are mathematically related. How useful and important are they? As Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency systems are entirely decentralized, no entity or body controls them. That is why wallets play a vital role within this ecosystem. Wallets are an essential piece of infrastructure that allows us to trade cryptocurrencies and view and consult our balances and the transactions performed and received. Wallets allow us to operate our funds with absolute control over them. We do not need the permission or authorization of any third party to perform. Cryptocurrency wallets are the easiest and safest way to use our cryptocurrencies. Knowing the types of wallets available on the market and their advantages and disadvantages are essential to determine which one best suits our needs. The first wallets created were the full wallets or full clients, the most complex and one of the safest in the world of cryptocurrencies. There are also cold wallets, which are type hardware or paper, and provide a high level of security for our funds because there is no risk of them being hacked. The best-known hardware wallets are Trezor, and Ledger is ideal for storing large amounts of cryptocurrencies. Hot wallets, such as desktops, tablets, or smartphones, are better for daily operations. They are always connected to the blockchain, and therefore, to the internet, more susceptible to computer attacks. Likewise, online wallets are also the least recommended because they are platforms that operate directly from a website. In most cases, the custody of private keys remains in the hands of third parties. SPV wallets or light wallets were created to make it easier to manage wallets and require fewer resources in their execution and work. What do you think if we talk about the Bit2Me wallet? At Bit2Me, we strive to provide all our users with the tools they need to manage their cryptocurrencies with total freedom. That's why we've designed Bit2Me Wallet, a mighty web wallet that you can use from anywhere in the world. With support for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Dash, Litecoin, and more than 100 other cryptocurrencies, Bit2Me Wallet allows you to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio quickly and seamlessly. Bit2Me Wallet integrates seamlessly with our other services, such as DEX and our buy-sell solution. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest content. If you want to learn more about this topic, visit the article in Bit2Me Academy. You can find the link in the description. Until next time.